Hello students. Today I'm here to talk to you about very important thing and that is spoken English. You must have seen that anyone who has good knowledge of spoken English, they can present themselves very well at various social occasions also. People judge you on the basis of how good you are with the English language. And as a youth, we all are running after getting good job. We take admissions in a lot of premium institutes, premium organization, just to know, just to see that what is the record in providing the job. But any institutions are not going to provide you the job. What they do, that they call the company, and they will make you sit with them in the school or college campus. But it is your personality, it is your skill that is going to ensure a seat in the job. And that's the reason that spoken English becomes very important. So this is the situation of job, but even in the society also, like if you go out and you see that people who have good knowledge of English, they get the better reputation because they have the better appearance and better presentation. And in India, definitely your status is attached with English language. If you can speak English, you will be perceived as a very educated person. If your English is poor, you will be perceived as a very poorly educated person. So it's not like you will say that okay, my mathematics is good, language is just a medium of communication. No, if this has become the criteria, so you have to fit in the criteria. You have to learn it. You cannot say that I will not learn it and still I'll fight whole world just proving that I'm also capable person. Why wasting your energy in the wrong direction? Why fighting a whole world and turning them against us? Why not spending 3 months or 6 months and learn this language? You know that if you want to get a job, or if you want to get any kind of knowledge, our opportunity of getting the job or opportunity of getting the knowledge is not restricted to the geographical boundary of the country where we live in. You can get the job in foreign countries also. You can get job in Canada, you can get job in France, in Germany, in America. That's what the youth are doing. And if you want to get an information, all the standards book is available in English language. It means that the clarity, the rawness of that knowledge, you can only obtain with English language. And a lot of students who are preparing for the civil services, they also say that someone who has the good knowledge of English language, they have an edge in clearing the examination. They always score good. So if there's so much advantage, why not preparing ourselves to learn that thing? But the point is that how can we prepare it? Because you must have tried a lot of coaching classes, you must have tried a lot of YouTube channels as well, but still there's only a little bit difference what you knew and what you know right now. You're not making expected progress, and the reason is that you're only tapping the traditional methods. The first common mistake that all the individuals do, like I come from Mughal Sarai, I come from Chandauli, and that's the reason that the options are very limited for us because few coachings are available, and whatever they are only doing through their banners and posters. Because the teachers who claim that they will teach you speak fluent English, they themselves are not able to speak fluently. And I'm saying it on the camera. You can check your teacher. If you're going to take admission in any spoken English class, try to find out that is there any platform where they are available where they are speaking English. You'll find a lot of pictures. You'll find a lot of translation methods that they are providing on channels on various social media platforms. But when it comes to talk in English, they are stuck. They're not ready to speak in front of camera. They're not ready to speak in front of people. They're not ready to speak in front of crowd. And the reason behind is that they know that the moment they will speak in public, they will be caught red-handed because their skill is not such as that they can proclaim themselves as a master, as a teacher. Sometimes it happens that students like you understand English very well. When it comes to speak, you can speak also, but you do not have the confidence. And that's the reason that you join coaching classes just to get a practice. But just imagine that you're taking admission to get the practice, but your real knowledge is better than that teacher. There will be only one difference, that the teacher is confident and you're not confident. But after 1 or 2 months of conversation, you realize that you are way better than the teacher that is teaching you spoken English. But still, you're okay with it because at least you're getting the chance to practice your English. But suppose if you know a little bit, your knowledge is limited, and you're going to practice. So that practice is only going to make you feel confident, but still your level is not improving. Your level remains the same. So how can you improve your English? How can you improve your level? Well, that's only possible when you meet expert, when you follow the right guidance, when you be consistent with learning. So do not take spoken English classes as a light decision. Sometimes I notice that people or students go to the spoken English classes just to have fun. When they are taking a decision, when they are searching about the schools, coachings, or organizations, they are very serious about it because they know that what is the role and importance of spoken English in their life, and that's why they spend a lot of time in searching the coaching classes. But the moment they take admissions, it becomes casual. In the same way that you like certain brand of shoes, certain brands of mobile, you're very passionate about it, you get very magnetic feeling about it, but the moment you get that mobile, after a month, your that passion regarding that particular thing just fade away. Same thing happens with the spoken English classes also, that you feel very interested, you pay a lot of money, like you pay everything that is asked for, but your interest goes away. Reason that the curriculum, the activity organized in the classroom is very boring, is very monotonous. So now you end up making few extra friends, you end up making relationship with the teacher. That's what they are looking for, because teachers think that they're not capable of training you that way so that you can excel your professional skill. So they rely or they depend on building connection, because if they build the connection, what you do, that next time if somebody asks you for the better coaching, you will refer this same coaching to your friend also, where you took admission with the intention to learn English, but you did not learn anything. So now you're carrying the relationship with your teacher, and because of that, you're referring that coaching to your friends. So you spend money and time. Now, because of you, your friends is spending time and money, but where's the result? He also gets the same result that you got from the same coaching. So the point is that you have to be very rational, and you have to monitor your progress as well. And that's the reason that, like, you can take the example of AI, you can take the example of Chat GPT. A lot of platforms are there. If you are really serious about how to improve your spoken English, and you're just joining the coaching for tips and ideas, then you can just browse through those things, and at least you'll get better methods and better ideas. You don't need to waste money and time there. So that's what I'm trying to say, that you have to be rational, you have to be consistent, and you have to know the teachers also. Suppose you are going to make me your teacher, make me your trainer. So it's very important to know that what is my capability. Am I able to speak? Do I have the presence in society, or presence on social media platform where I speak or I communicate in English language? If yes, then at least you have something from my side, you have something to judge me. But if someone is not present there, the simple thing is that he doesn't want you to judge him, and that's the reason that he cut off his all the connections where other people, where outsider can judge him, because they know very well that banners and posters are a good way to manipulate the students. And that's what they are doing. They have been continuously supplying the posters and banners, and they're trying to manipulate you. They are taking admissions through the students with whom they have built their relationship, built their connections. It means that there's a bad ecosystem that is created. The simple thing is that you have to be very rational. I have lot of ideas and lot of methods that I'm trying to cater you, so that you can polish your spoken English skill. You can develop the confidence also, that how to communicate in English language. There are a lot of students who know things very well, but they do not have the opportunity to practice. They do not have the right guidance. So for these kinds of students, I am creating the free training session, where you will join me, you'll get the guidance, you'll get the chance to practice, and I will continuously monitor your progress also. And that is going to be completely free. I'm not going to take anything from you. I'm not saying that I will teach you from zero to become a hero. I'm just saying that if you can understand English, if you have the ability to speak English, but your confidence is low, you want to progress, you want to improve your pronunciation, you want to improve certain things, but you don't know that how to do it. You're stuck. So if you're standing at that level, so I can help you. If you join me, I'm sharing my contact number. If you're really interested about excelling your spoken English skill, if you really want to polish your spoken English skill, then you can contact me through this WhatsApp number. Drop your number here, tell me your problem, tell me your level, and then I'll make a group. There will be other students also with you, who will be your companion from your city, from different city, from anywhere, and I'll guide you all through this platform so that you can get the guidance and you can start your journey of being a good communicator. So that's all in this video. I hope that you will definitely join me, and the moment I'll get the batch of 10 to 15 students, then I'll start my platform, I'll start that training program. So I'm waiting for you. I'm dropping my WhatsApp number, and let's see that what is your decision. So hurry up, join me, and let's start the session. Thank you for this video. And if you find this video useful, then share this video with your friend as well, so that they can also get the advantage of it. See you in next video session. Till then, have a nice day.